how to fix low volume on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix low volume on your Android phone easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your settings down here as you can see, and now all what you have to do is just click on sounds like this, and then right here you will find some options that you can manage from here. As you can see, make sure that all your the media and ringtone and the alarms and the calls on the highest of this line. So yeah, and if you want to control more settings and if this doesn't work for you, just click here on default volume button control like this, and now choose ringtone volume and go back. Now scroll down and click on more sound settings. Now all what you have to do here is simple, just make sure that you have the same settings right here, and yeah, and then click on dialer touch tones. Now you need to check and choose the default option, and yeah, now let's go back and let's make the default volume button control in the media volume. And yeah, now you can try it and I'm sure your problem is gonna work. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.